In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Salesflare to Zapier. If you've been wanting to automate tasks between Salesflare and other tools like spreadsheets, chat apps, forms, or calendars, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to set it up without any coding. We'll go from opening Zapier to turning on your first automation, and I'll explain what everything means along the way. Start by opening your browser and heading to zapier.com. Log in or create a free Zapier account if you don't have one yet. Once you're in, click Create a Zap. A Zap is simply an automated workflow that connects two apps. It runs from a trigger, which is the event that starts things, to an action, which is what happens next. You can also give your Zap a clear name so you'll recognize it later. Search for Salesflare and select it as your trigger app. This tells Zapier that updates from Salesflare should kick off the workflow. When prompted, click to sign into Salesflare. You'll be asked for your Salesflare API key so Zapier can securely access the data needed for automation. You can find this key in your Salesflare settings under API keys. Once you enter it, Zapier will confirm the connection. Next, choose which event in Salesflare should start the Zap. Common options include New Contact, New Opportunity, New Task, or New Account. Click Continue, then test the trigger. Zapier will pull a recent example from Salesflare so you can see real data flowing through. If nothing appears, create a quick test record in Salesflare and run the test again. Now it's time to choose the action. Pick the app you want to send the data to, like Slack, Google Sheets, or even another action in Salesflare. Select the specific action event, such as sending a message, adding a row, or creating a contact. If this is your first time using that app in Zapier, you'll connect it and grant permission. Zapier will show fields from your Salesflare trigger, like contact name or email. Map those fields into the Action Apps fields so the right details go to the right place. Make sure required fields are filled and format text so it reads clearly, especially in messages or spreadsheets. Run a test to see sample results. If everything looks correct, click Turn on Zap. From now on, whenever that Salesflare event happens, Zapier will automatically complete the action for you. That's it. Your workflow is live and working behind the scenes.